Hey folks, this is Justin from the Leonidas Knives and Gear channel. Hope you're doing well out there. And this is hopefully going to be a quick testing video upload. We're looking at three sharp bladed implements here. This is the CCK-02 by Halfbreed Blades. This is the Tonto version. Nice little compact defensive type tactical knife, D2 tool steel. The next up is the Cold Steel. This is the FGX Ring Dagger. They make these out of reinforced, fiberglass reinforced polymer, I believe. Pretty brutal looking little ring dagger. Good size for me, good length, pretty long. And then lastly, really what the heart of this test is going to be is this little push dagger here. This is a 3D printed one. My brother, the Tenacious Z, he printed out. It's out of a PLA, so it's a pretty basic polymer type material.
CCK-02 versus watermelon. No problems. FGX Cold Steel versus watermelon. No problem. And then the 3D print push dagger out of PLA. And still looks pretty good to me.
Cardboard mailing tube here. These are really tough, really tough. So definitely good aggressive test here. Got the CCK-02 by Halfbreed Blades. Okay. Did well. FGX by Cold Steel. Ooh, all right. The wood took the tip out some there, but still got a point to it. And then the PLA dagger here, 3D print push dagger. All right. Ow. Okay. And this is where the push dagger gave up on the mailing tube here. Did pretty good for the first 2 hits, but yeah, that tip is gone. Okay, so a few things to take away from the knife testing here between the CCK-02, the FGX, and the 3D printed push dagger. Obviously, the D2 tool steel, the Halfbreed Blades, did phenomenal, so no problems with any of the testing. It excelled at all of the testing. This is a really nice little defensive fixed blade. The Cold Steel FGX, it did great. I missed the tube and struck the pressboard wood underneath, and it did slightly, bring down that tip sharpness. I think I could hone that up with a razor blade, no problem. This is a really tough dagger, at least on a soft target. You could definitely get multiple hits. So for the money, I think this was like $7, $8 on Amazon. I would probably get a few more of these. This thing is wicked. As for the push dagger, again, did good on the watermelon test. No problems. It still felt as pointy, as sharp. But yeah, on the mailing tube test, it did fail. I believe on the second hit, and it became quite painful to drive into that. If this were a tougher 3D print PLA type material, I could see it maybe surviving the mailing tube test. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please drop me some comments. I always respond to those, and please subscribe. Thanks for your time.